Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you some exciting new updates that Asana have made. Asana is a free project management tool that will seriously be a game changer when it comes to your productivity and your business systems. I'm an Asana certified pro, love it, and talk about it a lot. So these are 5 new features that I think you will really like. Okay, so the first one that I want to tell you about is the new My Tasks Weekly view. I am obsessed. If you had asked me before this, I would have told you that the My Tasks calendar for the monthly view was my absolute favorite. So this is my monthly to-do list. It is color-coded based on the category of work that it is. I love it. And this is what I've been using as really my home base for work up until this point. But now they have added this weekly view, and I can tell you that I've been spending majority of my time in Asana within this view. So to get to it, all you need to do is go up here to the top right, and you're going to change this from month view to week view. Awesome. So now we have a focused view on the week, and I love it because you can drag and drop all of your tasks. So you can drag them in the order that you are going to do them and really set yourself up for success each day. So yeah, it's a thing of beauty. It has the same features that I love about the monthly view in that it's color-coded, it's super organized, but now I can just focus in on the week and I can drag and drop in the order that I'm going to do it. So I hope you love this one as well. The next one is a new-ish update. It happened in the last few months, and that is that you can now view your My Tasks from either the calendar view like this, but also the board view and list view. So let's click on list view. You're going to love this if you love like the standard to-do list, but this just goes so much beyond a to-do list that you are writing down on a piece of paper. It is really next level. You can sort everything into the correct project. Under each task itself, you can give yourself all of the details that you could possibly need in the description, and you can add a secondary to-do list in the form of subtasks. Okay, so yeah, absolutely love this. For those of you that are considering Asana, it's just next level beyond what you can do on paper. The next one is your board view, and this is really handy. It sorts your tasks into columns and then creates little cards for each of them, and you can drag them into different columns as you go through the process of completing. So some people use this. They'll have categories like today, upcoming, and later. Another thing people will do will be like in progress, to edit, and then complete, things like that. If you like this sort of visual, then you'll love the board view. The next new addition is the ability to add start times. So let's say we're working on our new freebie here. I can go ahead and click on the due date, but I can come down to the clock icon, click on that, and you'll now see the option to add a start time. So I'm going to start this at 1 p.m. and I'm going to block off my time. So ideally I will finish this in an hour, and this is how it will now display. So yeah, I think some of you are going to be really excited about this new addition. Let me know in the comments if you are one of them. The next one I want to tell you about is the automations within My Tasks. So from your My Tasks list view, you can go over here, top right, and click on Customize. From here, you will see rules. So just click Add Rule, and you will see that there are all these different automations that you can add to your workflow, including the ability to create a custom rule. So yeah, I absolutely love this. Let me show you an example. Let's say that your due date is approaching. You can click on that. You can click on this to customize it. So for example, if your task is due today, then you could choose to move that to the today section. Then all you have to do is click Create Rule, and that will now run automatically. So anytime a task has the due date of today, it will display in that today section. Other common ones are adding a comment if it's overdue, adding collaborators once it moves to a certain section. So there's a lot you can do here. And as I said, create a custom rule. You'll see we have lots of different trigger possibilities and actions. So I think this will really improve your workflows and productivity. The next one is one that is coming soon, and I'm so excited about it because I already got a sneak peek, but that is the Vimeo integration. Now, if you connect Vimeo with your Asana, when you go to ask a question or post an update, rather than just these three icons here, so we have mention, we have add emojis, we have add appreciations, which I absolutely love, you'll now see a little record button right here. So right within Asana, you can click that record button, go ahead and record your screen, explain to members of your team exactly how you need them to approach that task or any edits that you could possibly need. So you're going to be able to do that, record your instructions, then hit done, and the video will automatically embed right here and post as an update. So I did get a sneak peek of this one. I am so excited. I cannot wait for it to be complete. But yeah, they've basically taken the functionality of what I usually use Loom for. They've taken that functionality and they've added it straight into Asana with the help of Vimeo. So that is another way that you can really streamline your work, and it's so much faster than having to type out detailed instructions. Instead, you can just share a screen recording. So I don't know the official date, but it says coming soon and that it will be rolling out in the coming weeks. So that is exciting. All right, guys, so those are the new updates. I hope you are excited about these as well. If you are just getting started with Asana, I do have a free roadmap that walks you through exactly how to set it up and how to optimize it for your business. So if you want to grab that, I'll leave a link for you in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this quick update video, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you real soon with another video.